Okay guys, I'm back in my car. I wanted to do just a quick video just to hopefully help somebody else out if they come into this issue like I did. I was actually cleaning my vehicle the other day in the 12-volt power outlet. I'll show you in just a second. In my center part of the dash, both of them actually did not work, which was very weird. I figured one is a fluke, two of them wasn't. But I did find the fix for this, and I'm going to show you in just a second. But here, first off, let me show you this. So this is what I was talking about here. It's the 12-volt car outlet, not just the USB port. That still works, and these work now, and I'll show you what I did to fix that. Okay, so the fix was this cover. You take this off by squeezing this tab and this tab. It pops off. Here's your fuse box right here, and if you look at the back here, it's actually going to be labeled under power outlet. So if you look, it was this one and this one, and lo and behold, I did pull this one, and both of them were blown. And there is a spare ones right here. I'm assuming since there was two spares for the same amperage, I would imagine they may have kind of figured that would happen. I didn't use it before, so I don't know if maybe the previous owner may have used it and blown the fuse and didn't realize it, but I replaced those two fuses. Now they both work fine. So hope that was able to help you out. As always, hope you enjoyed the video.